Hi and welcome. In this Simplifier tutorial we want to add a specific application to the home screen of a mobile device for Android. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Make sure you have the Simplifier mobile client installed. Log into the Simplifier mobile client with your credentials. Now select your desired Simplifier application and swipe to the left and click on the Add to Home Screen button. Great, you have now added your Simplifier app to your home screen. Now open up the app to check if it worked. Great, it works. We successfully added a Simplifier application to our home screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one. Stay awesome.